Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Eka Puspitasari, mahasiswi PPG dalam Jabatan Angkatan 1 tahun 2020 Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta, siap untuk melaksanakan uji kinerja praktek pembelajaran pada peserta didik kelas 11 MM SMK Pembaharuan Purworejo. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, my students.
Good morning.
How are you getting on?
I'm fine. Thank you.
I'm very well, thank you. Nice to see you.
Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. Well, before starting our learning activity today, let's say Basmalah together. I hope by saying Basmalah together, our learning activity today will run well and can give many advantages for you, for your daily life, and also your future. Okay, students, who is absent today? Has anybody joined in this virtual class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Alhamdulillah, if you all are here today. Although we cannot meet directly, we also can meet in our virtual class by using Google Meet. But I hope you all can keep your spirit to study. Tetap semangat belajar ya semuanya.
Iya, Bu. Semangat. Iya, Bu. Semangat.
Semangat, alhamdulillah. Don't forget to keep up your health by doing physical exercises and also eat nutritious food. And you have to be always happy to keep your body immune. Don't forget to do presents in Google Form. Okay, before starting our lesson, can you see me clearly in your handphone screen?
Yes.
How about my voice? Can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, alhamdulillah. Ready to study ya?
Ready, ma'am.
Ready, good. Do you still remember about our previous lesson?
Formal introduction.
Okay, good. You have still remembered about it. Our today's topic will be personal letter. In your opinion, what is personal letter?
Pribadi.
Surat pribadi. Okay, good. Thank you. Can you see my PowerPoint?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Our today's topic is personal letter. Okay, my students. Before discussing our materials today, let me read you the goals of our learning today. Tujuan pembelajaran kita pada hari ini mencakup dua ranah, yaitu ranah pengetahuan dan ranah keterampilan. Di ranah pengetahuan nanti diharapkan kalian dapat menentukan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan dalam teks surat pribadi. Yang kedua, kalian dapat menemukan ide pokok, rujukan kata, informasi tersurat, informasi detail dalam surat pribadi. Yang ketiga, kalian nanti dapat menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan surat pribadi. Oke. Di ranah keterampilannya, kalian diharapkan mampu menyusun kalimat acak menjadi sebuah paragraf personal letter dengan baik. Yang kedua, kalian dapat menyusun teks surat pribadi dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan dalam sebuah teks surat pribadi. Is there anything clear about the goal of our learning activity today?
Ya, sudah jelas.
Okay, thank you. I will give you an example of personal letter. I will ask one of you to read the first paragraph.
How are you, sweetie? I know you are angry with me because I am writing to you after a long time. I am so sorry. Please forgive me. You know we are in Lombok right now.
Sharil, please read the second paragraph of the letter.
You know, yesterday we went to Gilinanggu Island. It is a beach on the southwest of Lombok. It is so beautiful.
Okay, thank you. Good job. As I have shared you the material 2 days ago related to the personal letter that have been read by your friends, I have some questions for you. Where was the letter written?
Sindiki Raya Lombok.
Okay, the letter was written in Lombok. The second question is, when was the letter written?
12 January 2014.
Good. Who is the sender of the letter?
Lana.
Good. Who is the recipient of the letter?
Siti.
Siti. Good, thank you. Is there any question about this letter?
What is PS, Ma?
PS stands for postscript. Ini adalah informasi tambahan. Is there any other question?
No.
Okay, if there is no questions anymore, I will show you a video about personal letter. But before I show you the video, I will explain to you tentang penilaian. Jadi ada 3 ranah yang akan Bu Eka ambil di penilaian. Ranah yang pertama dari pengetahuan, nanti Bu Eka ambil nilai dari ulangan harian. Karena ini baru pertemuan pertama, jadi ulangan harian akan Bu Eka ambil pada pertemuan kedua, yaitu minggu depan. Kemudian di ranah keterampilan, nanti kalian Bu Eka minta untuk menyusun sebuah surat pribadi, temanya bebas, untuk sahabat atau teman atau keluarga boleh. Kemudian yang ketiga, untuk penilaian sikap, kalian Bu Eka nilai dari disiplin waktunya. I will give you several questions about personal letter. In your opinion, what is personal letter?
Surat yang khusus ditujukan untuk teman, keluarga, dan lain-lain.
Okay. How about the content?
Memberi informasi, menanyakan kabar, berbagi pengalaman.
Okay, good. Thank you, Nanda. Now I will show you a video about personal letter. Please pay attention. Listen carefully to the video that I want to share to you. After watching video, what did you get?
Pengertian surat pribadi.
Okay, good.
Contoh surat.
Oke,
Contoh
surat pribadi, betul.
About a generic structure.
Oke, generic structure.
Language feature.
Okay, good. Is there any question about the video?
No, thank you.
Okay, if you have no questions about the video, I will explain you about personal letter. Personal letter is an informal written message between friends, relatives, or acquaintance. The purpose of personal letter is to inform that the sender wants to tell an important thing, like personal feelings, thoughts, or experiences, which are meant to be read by a specific person. Jelas nggih?
Yes, ma'am.
Is the definition and the purpose of personal letter clear for you?
Yes, of course.
Okay, good. Go to the next point. It is about the generic structure. We will discuss it one by one. Date adalah tanggal. Tanggal yang dimaksudkan di sini adalah tanggal dibuatnya surat. What is the second point?
Address.
Address itu apa?
Alamat.
Alamat. The third point is
Salutation and name.
good. Next,
Body and letter.
body of letter. Kita bagi menjadi 3 bagian. Yang pertama ada
Opening.
what is the content in the opening part?
Menanyakan keadaan.
Betul. The second part of body is content. Content itu isi. Jadi di sini inti dari kalian mengirim surat mau menceritakan apa? Apakah itu ide atau pengalaman atau yang lain yang bersifat pribadi. The last part of the body is closure. What is the content of closure?
Berharap balasan surat.
Okay, good. Thank you. The next point is apa itu? Bagian yang selanjutnya namanya?
Complimentary close.
Itu adalah salam penutup. Salam penutup contohnya yang kalau untuk sahabat misalnya full of love atau your love dan sebagainya. What is the last part of generic structure of the letter?
Signature.
Signature. Good. Atau tanda tangan. Okay. Going to the next point is language features. 3 tenses that can be used in personal letter. The first is simple present tense. Simple present tense itu menggunakan kata kerja bentuk berapa?
Bentuk satu.
The second tenses of personal letter is simple past tense. Ada yang tahu simple past tense itu memakai kata kerja bentuk berapa?
Bab 2.
Okay, thank you. Good. The third tense that can be used in personal letter is future tense. Future tense ini adalah tenses untuk mengungkapkan kegiatan yang akan kita lakukan di waktu yang akan datang. What is the characteristic of future tense?
Gunakan will.
The last point of language features of personal letter is the use of first and second personal pronoun. I will give you an example of expressions that can be used in personal letter. Yang pertama ada starting the letter. Bisa memakai how? How are you? Ya. Yang kedua apa? Yang
Hope
mikrofonnya.
this letter fill you in a good condition.
Oke, thank you Nanda.
Thank you for your last letter.
Oke, thank you Osha.
You are welcome.
Yeah. The second expression that can be used is conclusion.
I am looking forward to seeing you soon.
Okay, good. Thank you Farhan. The second expression.
I will write soon.
Okay, thank you.
See you.
See you. Okay, thank you. Before going to our first learning activity, is there any question?
Not yet.
There is no question. We will go to the first learning activity. Kalian bekerja dalam grup. Ya. Seperti yang kemarin sudah Bu Eka share grupnya. Kita punya 4 kelompok. Tugasnya seperti kemarin. Masih ingat anggota kelompoknya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, alhamdulillah if you still remember about the member of your group. I will ask Erlangga to read the first paragraph.
Dear Andre,
Okay.
how are you in Bali? I hope everything is well. We have met since I moved to Yogyakarta.
Okay, thank you Erlangga. The second paragraph will be read by Mei Niasari.
In Yogyakarta, I live in a village. The name of the village is Pularjo. It is located near Prambanan Temple.
Okay, thank you Mei. Please read the third paragraph, Desi.
I also have some neighbors.
Okay.
They are very friendly. They greet me warmly when I move to my new house. They help me to know the place well. So far, it is very nice to stay here. How about you, Andre? Please tell me everything about you in Bali, and I would be glad to read it. Love,
Okay,
Sista.
very good, Desi. Okay, thank you for the students who have read the paragraph well. Going to the second learning activity, you have to work in group. This instruction is based on the personal letter above. Find the main idea, social function, generic structure, and the language features. Okay, group 1. What is the main idea of the personal letter above? Group 1?
To tell about a new house.
Okay, very good Ria, thank you.
Ya, Bu.
Sekarang kita ke nomor 2. Nomor 2 siapa? Kelompok 2. What is the social function of the letter? Andri from group 2. Okay, very good. Thank you, Andri.
Ya, sama-sama.
What is the generic structure of personal letter? Maulana Geo from group 3.
Yes, ma'am. State, address,
Okay.
salutation and name, body of letter, complimentary clause, signature.
Okay, good. Thank you. Go to the last question is language features. What is the language features of personal letter? Rukma from group 4.
Simple present, simple past, future.
Oke, thank you. Jawabannya semuanya sudah betul. All the answers are correct. We can go to the next learning activity. You have to work individually. Sekarang sudah nggak di grup lagi, tapi sendiri-sendiri. Read the text and answer the questions briefly. Bacalah teks tersebut, kemudian jawab pertanyaan. Please read the first paragraph.
I am writing this letter to bring attention that the mechanic that I said from your factory is not working as it should be. Please replace the damage.
Okay, thank you. The first question is, who is the recipient of the letter, Osha?
Mr. Jody Raharja.
Okay, good. The second question is for Syahril. When was the letter written?
3rd October 2019.
Okay, very good, thank you. The third question is, why does the writer feel upset and inconvenience?
Because the machine doesn't work.
Good, thank you Hizbullah. The last question is, from the moment I began to use the machine, in paragraph 2, I refers to
Mr. Arya Wijaya.
Very good, thank you Nanda. On learning activity 4, you have to work in group. Di sini kalian diminta untuk rearrange the jumbled paragraph into a good personal letter. Okay, Okta. What is the first and the second part? Bagian 1 dan 2 tolong dibaca.
May 5th, 2019.
Okay.
Dear Devi.
Yeah, good. Thank you. Please, Desi, read the third and the fourth part.
How are you? I this letter feels the best of health and spirit.
Good.
To tell you that my family and going to spend the holiday in your city, Yogyakarta. In Yogyakarta, we will stay in my grandmother's house in Kaliurang.
Okay, good. Thank you, Desi. Please, Devi, read the fifth, sixth, and the seventh part.
What are you going to do in the next holiday? Why don't you join us? It will be more fun if you can go camping and spend an holiday with us. How about going camping in Kaliurang? I heard that it is a great place for camping. Let me know soon. Please read me as soon as possible. Nana.
Okay, thank you. Good job, Devi. Is there any question about personal letter?
No.
Okay. If there is no question, we will go to the last learning activity. In the last learning activity, you have to create your own personal letter addressed to your family, to your friend, and the topic is free. Untuk pengumpulan tugasnya, you can submit your letter to Google Classroom or to my email at ekapuspita0168@gmail.com. Okay, my students, before closing our learning activity today, let's conclude the materials we have discussed today. What is our topic? Okay, good, Desi. Thank you. Our topic today is personal letter atau surat pribadi. What is the social function of personal letter?
Social function yang termasuk.
Okay, Devi.
To inform that the sender want to tell a important thing like personal feelings, thought, or experience which are meant to be read by a specific person.
Okay, very good, Devi. Thank you. Can you mention the generic structure of personal letter? What is the generic structure of personal letter, Syahril?
Date,
Date.
address, salutation and name, body of letter, complimentary clause, signature.
Okay, very good. Very complete answer. Okay, Nanda. Can you mention the language features of personal letter?
Simple present tense, simple past tense, future tense. The first and the second personal pronoun are often used.
Very good. We can use simple present, simple past, future, sama the first and the second personal pronoun. Very good. Thank you, Nanda. Is there any question about personal letter?
No, thank you.
Okay, if there is no question, I would like to say thank you for your attendance, for your participation, for your contribution, and for being active students. You also pay attention to the whole learning activity today. I'm very happy to see you and teach you here. I wish this material will be useful for your life. Terima kasih atas kehadiran, atas perhatian yang baik selama pembelajaran hari ini. Bu Eka sangat senang bertemu dan mengajar kalian di sini. Bu Eka berharap materi pada hari ini dapat berguna untuk kehidupan kalian sehari-hari. Our next meeting. Oke, alhamdulillah ya. Our next meeting is still about personal letter. Pertemuan kita minggu depan masih membahas tentang surat pribadi. So, don't forget to study personal letter at home to deepen your understanding. Untuk memperdalam pemahaman, kalian bisa membaca materi lagi di rumah. Don't forget to do and submit your assignment before the due date. Jangan lupa untuk mengerjakan dan mengumpulkan tugas sebelum batas waktu. Where can you send your assignment?
Google Classroom.
Atau selain Google Classroom juga bisa di
email.
Iya, di emailnya Bu Eka. Oke. Don't forget to do attendance in Google
Form.
Okay, good. Let's say hamdalah together. Our learning activity today can run well. Always keep up your health ya, my students. Selalu jaga kesehatan ya.
Yes.
Ya. Oke, juga tetap semangat belajar. See you
Okay.
next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.